We have a unique theme today. We see the Pharisees warning Jesus of the impending threat to his life. The reading is taken from Luke chapter 13, verses 31 to 35. The Gospel gives us a glimpse of the threatening and dangerous context in which Jesus lived and worked. Herod killed John the Baptist, and now he was all out to kill Jesus. Notice an important point here. It is the Pharisees who are warning Jesus. These very guys, along with a group of Herods, were always on the lookout to kill Jesus. And now they are cooperating with Jesus to prevent his death. But Jesus gives a clear, strong and courageous warning. Go and tell that fox Herod, he says, that I will not be cowed down by your threats. I will continue to preach, to drive out demons, and to heal today, tomorrow, the day after. That means the third day. In other words, Jesus is telling us to announce the kingdom of God requires no permission from any political authority. What Jesus is telling us is that nothing, no power on earth can prevent him from carrying out the mission given by the Father. And it is to him to determine the hour and the time, and not up to Herod. There is an important symbolism here. When Jesus says, today, tomorrow, and the third day, is alluring to his death and his resurrection on the third day in Jerusalem. Jesus says, how I long to gather your children together like a hen gathers her chicks under her wings, and you will not listen. Jesus wants to gather us together and keep us close to his heart. Are we willing to let Jesus gather us? Or are we telling him, in the words of today, keeping safe distance from the Lord? But the good news is this, that even though we may keep safe distance or social distance from the Lord, he will not keep social distance. He will always walk with us every day and every moment of our lives. The question for us to ask is, do we reciprocate? Will we also walk along with Jesus and love him the way he loves us? Continue to pray for Father Stan and all the other human activists who are in prison. God bless you. Have a nice day. Stay safe.